going on, guys? It's me, Linsay with LinsayMoore.com, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can retire in 100 days as a ClickFunnels super affiliate. Now, before I get into the training, make sure you subscribe, hit that subscribe button below, also hit that notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. Now, in this short training, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to retire in 100 days as a ClickFunnels super affiliate, and also I have a free gift to give to you at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned and watch to the end. Now listen to the training. Affiliate. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Linsay Moore. I have been a full-time marketer from home since 2014. I became a six-figure earner after I left my corporate job. Like a year later, I became a six-figure earner in the online marketing space. Also, I've helped other people to have success in their online marketing business through social media and through video marketing as well. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, first, affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's products. And the reason why I always tell people that this is one of the best ways to get started online, especially if you have no experience, is because you don't have to worry about, recruiting or building large teams. You don't have to worry about customer service or, dealing with support issues or anything like that. You don't have to create your own products. It allows for more time freedom because you can actually spend less time actually building an affiliate marketing business. And then again, it's one of the best ways you can start making money online, especially if you are a newbie, right? Now, if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, okay? So ClickFunnels is an online sales funnel builder that helps businesses to market, sell, and deliver their products online. And it basically just automates the sales process, right? So instead of you always having to connect with each individual that you come in contact with and tell them about your business, you can actually just send them to a funnel that you make in ClickFunnels. All somebody will have to do is just submit their email address, and then they will go through a series of pages that will kind of lead them towards a sale. And that's how you automate the process. And ClickFunnels is really popular, especially in the internet marketing space. But then also, real estate agents use it, like dentists, chiropractors. A lot of people actually, a lot of businesses and entrepreneurs pretty much use the ClickFunnels product. And another thing with ClickFunnels, they provide all the necessary tools needed in order to promote affiliate marketing. So with affiliate marketing, pretty much, you need like a capture page. This is a page where somebody can submit their email address in order to get on your email, your email list. You need a thank you page, like a landing page or whatever you want to call it. Also, you need an offer. ClickFunnels offers a variety of other digital products in their back office as well. Autoresponder, and that's basically a fancy word where like a site that's going to house all those emails that you're going to collect. And again, ClickFunnels offers that as well too. And then you need traffic. And with ClickFunnels, when you become an affiliate for ClickFunnels, they actually have an affiliate boot camp, right? They have a 100-day affiliate boot camp, and you can learn how to drive traffic to your funnel, or basically humans or human eyeballs to your funnel pretty much, right? So the reason why you want to promote ClickFunnels, right? So they offer an affiliate program that pays 40% commissions residually. Now, when it comes to like affiliate marketing, there's a lot of products that I call them like one-off products, right? So you can direct somebody to like a product that you find on Amazon, maybe even Target, a Vitamix or something like that or whatever. And that's just like a one-off sale pretty much, right? So you'll earn a commission that one time that somebody buys, and that's it. Well, with ClickFunnels, since it's a product, like I said, that helps to automate the sales process for a lot of business owners, people need to pay per month in order to have this, to have ClickFunnels and to have access to all its tools. So if you refer somebody to ClickFunnels and every month that they keep ClickFunnels, you will earn a commission. So that's residual income right there, right? And those are some of the best offers that you can find as well. And also, like I said in the previous slide, that they offer a variety of different affiliate products in their back office. Some of them are low ticket, just like those books behind me, .com Secrets and Expert Secrets. So that's some of their lower end ticket items. And then they also have high ticket offers where you can earn a few $100s in commissions off of one sale, in addition to, the income that you're getting residually as well. And then also, again, it just has everything that you need in order to build a profitable online business pretty much, right? Now, how are you going to be able to retire with the ClickFunnels how they're gonna be able to retire in 100 days as a ClickFunnels affiliate, all you need to focus on is just giving away one free trial per day. That's it. For the next 100 days, if all you focused on was just giving away one free trial per day, you can retire in 100 days as a ClickFunnels affiliate. Okay. Now this is what they said. This is what Russell Brunson said. This is the guy who runs ClickFunnels pretty much, right? So after the free 14-day trial, right? If they upgrade to ClickFunnels and they decide to keep ClickFunnels and become a customer of ClickFunnels, that's when you will get paid. Okay? So when you give away that free trial and then they upgrade to one of the packages or one of the monthly plans, that's when you'll get paid. Now there are two levels inside of ClickFunnels, right? They have a $97 per month level, and then they also have a $297 per month level. And with the $97 level, if somebody upgrades to that, that's about a $40 commission each month. And if they do the $297, that's about a $120 commission every single month that you will receive each month that they keep ClickFunnels, okay? So that's awesome, right? Now, all you need to do is just focus on 1 hour per day just to give away one free trial. That is it. You don't have to spend 8 hours on trying to do this. Now, if you do have the time and you do have extra time or whatever else, then why not go ahead and put it inside of your business so that way you can grow a lot faster? But if you only just had an hour per day and you just only focused on giving away that one free trial, you should be good, right? Now, after 100 days, if all those people that you have referred to ClickFunnels for the free trial keep ClickFunnels and upgrade to like the 97 or the 297 level, you'll have 100 people in 100 days, okay? This is the goal. Now, once you have 100 people upgraded, if they only just got the $97 per month plan, that's an extra $4,000 per month that you will receive from ClickFunnels. Over a year, basically, that's $48,000 per year. Just by working 1 hour a day and just giving away a free trial every single day. And think about what $4,000 per month can do for you, right? Like, I know I probably have some superstars watching this right now, but think about it if you have been struggling over the last few months, or maybe you've been trying to find a way to make money online. Think about what $4,000 per month will do for you. For some people, that can actually replace their income and they probably will quit their job. Some people can pay off debts, like student loans, go on more trips with their family or whatever else, right? And also, in addition to you getting $4,000 per month and you having 100 people upgraded to ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels will also give you $500 per month towards the monthly payment of your dream car. So there's actually people who have, you know, Mercedes-Benz, they're getting BMWs. You have people who are getting Maseratis, Lexus, all these type of cars or whatever else. Whatever car you want, pretty much, ClickFunnels will basically send you $500 per month towards the monthly payment of your dream car. Now, if you are an overachiever pretty much, let's say you focus on giving away 2 free trials per day, right? So if you get 200 people that have upgraded within the next 100 days by giving away 2 free trials per day, and all they got was the $97 per month plan, that's $8,000 per month. An extra $96,000 per year. That's almost 100 grand per year just by focusing on maybe spending 1 to 2 hours per day and giving away 2 free trials at least every single day. That's it. And then also, if you hit 200 people that have upgraded to ClickFunnels, they actually want to give you $1,000 per month to use towards the monthly payment of your dream car. How amazing is that, guys, right? Now, another way that you can actually earn more with ClickFunnels as well is that they have a feature called sticky cookies, pretty much, right? So if somebody goes through your link for your free trial, and let's say like they got the free trial and they're getting the emails from ClickFunnels, and Russell Brunson decides to promote another product through those emails, and that person buys through that email through your link, guess what happens? You get a commission, right? And that's something, like I said, like there's products in the back office as well, but occasionally Russell will drop a new product out the blue, and that's just another way for you to earn more money with ClickFunnels, right? Even if that person, let's say the person doesn't even get the free trial, but 2 days later they get those emails from Russell Brunson and from ClickFunnels, and they decide to, you know, buy funnel scripts or something like that, you're going to get a commission. How amazing is that, right? So like I said, so many ways that you can earn with ClickFunnels. Now, how you can actually do all this, I want you guys underneath this video in the description below, claim your free done for you funnel, right? That done for you funnel is basically going to show you step by step on how you can actually start with ClickFunnels and start promoting this and start to get your 1 free trial per day with ClickFunnels. The sales funnel, the business is already done for you. The only thing that you need to do is just change out your links to your affiliate links for ClickFunnels, right? The videos have been done for you, everything. All you'll need to do is just give away that same funnel to somebody else and have them to go through that same funnel and sign up through ClickFunnels. That's all you have to do. You don't have to create any content. You don't have to create any videos. You don't have to create any email sequences to send out to people once they opt into your page. You don't have to do any of that. All of it's done for you. So again, underneath this video in the description below is going to be a link where you can claim your free done for you funnel to help you to promote ClickFunnels. And it's going to show you step by step how to set it up. And again, all you really need to do is just change out some links so that way when people go through that same sales funnel that you're going to give to other people so they can sign up for ClickFunnels, all they will do is when they sign up, it'll actually get linked to you so you can get that commission. That's it. That's all you have to do. That is my early Christmas gift to you. Yay! So underneath this video, go ahead and do that. Go ahead and take care of that. It's going to be the first link in the description below this video, okay? If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. If you want me to do more videos like this, let me know below as well. Also hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And to the next video. Peace.